The National Photonics Initiative was created to unite experts in industry, academia, and government to not only identify but to advance photonics in the areas that are critical, like improving the economy, creating jobs, saving lives, and sparking innovation for future generations.
The National Photonics Initiative is one of the primary recommendations stemming from a recently published National Academy study on the field of optics and photonics.
The problem we are trying to address is that photonics is invisible to the average citizen and certainly to the average congressperson.
The iPad, the iPhone are definitely devices we use all the time that are based on optics and photonics research.
I think it's safe to say that without lasers and photonics, production of today's electronic devices would just not be possible.
From the moment you wake up, to the alarm that goes off on your smartphone, to the LEDs on your clock, to the scan as you're driving your car into the garage, as you're paying for your coffee, as you're logging into the internet and connecting with the world, we really couldn't imagine a life without photonics.
It tends to be an enabling technology that people don't know about. We feel it's important to get the word out so that photonics can get the attention and the funding that it needs to continue to help us in this way.
The EU, Germany, Korea, Taiwan, China have already recognized how important photonics is, and they've taken action.
It's really upon a solid basis of federally funded research and scientific knowledge that new technologies can be developed, and technologies that are giving back to the country in many ways.
The Department of Defense has long supported photonics and put it to many uses. Our national security in the future will require more photonics as we face non-traditional challenges.
There are thousands of companies that have sprung up in the last decade or so that produce the photonic devices and systems that we all depend on now. But there's plenty of room for growth.
We see photonics playing a crucial role in the innovation infrastructure of the future, the economy of the future, jobs for the future.
It's an opportunity for us to show how critical it is for federally funded research to flourish in this country.
To direct U.S. funding in photonics research that will help create jobs, grow the economy, and protect and improve the lives of all people.
What we need the NPI to communicate is that the race for the future is already well underway, and we are limping to the starting block.
The ultimate goal of restoring U.S. competitiveness in this vital area, and thereby improving our security, our economy, and our quality of life.